Welcome all. Try a little harder to be a little better. Today's topic, 5 Kingdom of Classification. Very important topic for all the biology students, especially 11th standard. Now, what is classification? First, it is an arrangement of organisms or group of organisms in distinct categories in accordance with a particular and well-established plan. Now, classify means we are putting each organisms into different groups according to their similarities and dissimilarities of the characters, right? Now, classification also helps in unity in diversity of the organisms. That means in this world there are a lot of organisms, lot of different categorized animals. So we are putting these animals into or these organisms into different groups. Even classification gives you specific and scientific names to the organisms which are accepted universally. For example, coconut, Cocos nucifera. It is the scientific name which is accepted universally. Rose, Rosa indica, which is accepted universally. Now, it also reveals the relationship between or among the groups of organisms, how the various groups are interrelated and how they are different. This classification comes in a special branch of botany, that is taxonomy. Taxonomy is a branch where we are identifying, giving names and classifying in a particular group. Okay. Now, the 5 kingdom classification, a slight introduction about the kingdom of classification. Now, in the first time, the 2 kingdom classification of organisms was introduced by Carl Linnaeus, father of taxonomy, right? And that 2 kingdom was Plantae and Animalia. That means plants and animals. So in this case, there was no place for bacteria, euglena like organisms, right? Then Haeckel suggested that there should be a third group known as Protista to include these organisms. So there also the features related to protozoans and these bacteria are different, right? And euglena organisms are different. So then came from the late 1960s onwards, the whole organisms are divided into 5 groups. That is the 5 kingdom classification. Let's see. Five kingdom system of classification was proposed by R.H. Whittaker in 1969. R.H. Whittaker. Now I have written phylogenetic relationship between the organisms because this kingdom classification gives an idea about how the prokaryotic organism came first, then eukaryotic came. So there means a relationship of evolution also given in this particular type of classification. Okay. Now let's see which are the 5 kingdoms. Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Fungi, Kingdom Plantae, Kingdom Animalia. Now, what are the criteria which was taken by Whittaker for the classification? First criteria, that is cell organization. Now, how the cell is, whether it is a prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Pro means false, that means the organisms without a proper nucleus. Now, nucleus is the brain of cell. Nucleus means there should be a nuclear membrane, nucleolus, nucleoplasm, etc. That means a definite structure should be there. But in prokaryotic, the DNAs are embedded in here and there in the case of bacteria and all, right? There is no particular nucleus, a standard nucleus. But in the case of eukaryotic, we have a nucleus with a nuclear membrane, nucleolus, nucleoplasm, right? Now, second criteria was body organization. Whether an organism contains one cell, that is unicellular, uni means one, or whether it is multicellular, more than 2 cells. Next category was mode of nutrition, whether they are auto means cells making autotrophic, they are making their own food, or heterotrophic, that means they are depending on others for their nutrition. Then comes lifestyle, whether they are producing their own food They are not dependent like plants. Producers. Consumers. Those who are dependent on the producers for their nutrition, for their living. Or decomposer. Decomposers are those which are living on the dead and decayed plants and animals, dead and decayed organisms, right? So these are the criteria which was taken by Whittaker for the classification of the 5 kingdoms: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. See, a beautiful picture was given. See how Monera, bacteria and all coming, then Protista, amoeba, paramecium, then Plantae. Lot of beautiful flowers and all are there, right? When you go out, you will enjoy the nature, especially in this case, Corona period, because pollution is very less, right? Then fungi, mushrooms and all. Then Animalia, here a beautiful butterfly is given. Tiger, lion, various animals are there. Okay, I hope you understood. So thank you very much for watching. See you soon with a very beautiful video.